Hi nail friends, and welcome back to another episode of Money Tuesday. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some new LAYLA dip powders, so let's get right into the video. So LAYLA sent me these dip powders. It's from the Honeymoon collection, which is a Valentine's Day inspired collection. I got 3 dip powders and some glitter. The first one is called Blushing Hearts, which is a chunky pink glitter mixed with some heart shapes. Then we have a Strawberry Whipped Cream, which is a soft light pink dip powder. Then we have Champagne Toast, which is a gold and silver fine glitter mix. And some pink bow glitters. So these are the dip powders in natural lighting. I also got 2 cuticle oil pens as well in the scent bubblegum and cotton candy. So let's get right into the video. So I'll be using LAYLA base liquids to do this design. So I've already applied my tips and buffed my nails, and now I'm applying 2 layers of clear dip powder to my nails. So I apply base to 3/4 of the nail and then I dip it into the clear dip powder. Then I applied base to the whole nail and then dip it into the clear dip powder. This is done to build the nails and also to protect my natural nails from the color. This is also an optional step, but I like doing it. On my pinky nail, I'm using Champagne Toast. So I apply a thin layer of base and then dip my finger into the glitter dip powder. It reached full opacity on the first layer, but I did another layer. Now on the middle finger, I apply a thin layer of base to the whole nail, and then I dip my finger into the pink dip powder. I did 3 layers of that. LAYLA has a really nice dip powder formula. It's not grainy at all, it's very smooth and nice to work with, and it's very opaque. If you guys would like to check them out, I have a discount code in the description below. I have done a couple videos for LAYLA before, so y'all can also check those videos out as well. I would link them in the cards or in the description. On my index finger, I also did 3 layers of the pink dip powder. Now on the ring finger, I placed tape off camera. Now I placed base on the nail bed area and then I poured the pink dip powder on my nail. I did 3 layers of that. Then I removed the tape. I placed 2 more layers off camera when I removed the tape, and then I applied activator to harden the nails so that I can file to get a straighter line. Then I placed tape higher on the nail and did the same thing with the gold dip powder. Then I placed the pink dip powder on the tip area. Now I encapsulated the nails with a few layers of clear dip powder, but I only showed 1 layer and I did not encapsulate the index nail. Then I applied activator to all of the nails, waited for it to harden, then began filing. Using my blushing heart, I pour some into a container and then place some of the hard glitters and the hexagon glitters into a cup for easier access. Now using my Mother One's base gel, I apply it to the index finger. Then using a pick, I place the glitter on my nail. The reason I'm using gel base instead of gel glue is because I wasn't sure how I wanted to place the glitter on the nail and I needed enough time to see how it looked. If I had placed the base glue, it would have dried the glitter in place and I wanted time to move the glitter around. Then I poured some clear dip powder on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Now I encapsulated the nail using base glue and clear dip powder. I could have continued with the base gel, but I didn't want to. I did a few layers to build the nail. Then I applied activator to the nail, waited for it to harden, then began filing. So this is after filing. Now using my striping tape, I placed it on the nails off camera. Now I apply some Model 1's gel glue on my middle finger only. Then I applied my Model 1's gel top coat to all of the nails. And before curing, I place a small glob of gel glue on the middle finger, and then I placed the bow on the nail and cured for 30 seconds. Then using my LAYLA cotton candy cuticle oil to rehydrate my skin and nails, and this is the finished look. So if you like this video, you're going to want to check out my other videos on dip powder. Click the videos you see on the screen and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye guys!